Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be doing a look using the James Charles Morphe palette. Then I'm going to be using some of the nude shades, probably this one, and then a little bit of the yellow and definitely some of the black. I want to do kind of like a bumblebee look. So yellow lid, black on the outer corners, and then some of the neutral in the crease. It is nighttime. It is 8:45 at night here. It is Tuesday, and I thought it would be a cute look, so I figured why not film it for you guys. So let's get into that. My eyebrows are done and I have them concealed. I did use the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Medium Dark. I'm going to start by applying the Pretty Vulgar primer onto my lid, and then I'm going to go in with that neutral shade in the crease and blend that out a little bit. So now that we have our black, I'm going to take this small crease brush or blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that black out a little bit. So I'm pretty happy with how this is turning out so far. I'm going to grab some eyeliner and mascara. I will put them on camera so you guys can see this time, and then we'll move on to lashes, which I will do off camera, and then face. Lashes have been applied. I'm going to go in with the Benefit Professional, just because my pores are looking a little big lately, and then I will go over that with my Tarte Found Sealer in the shade 16. For contour today, I'm using the good old Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I am going to try out the new, is it Baddington? Baddington brushes I got. There's a powder and a contour. So let's give that contour brush a try. Super soft. I did use it yesterday when I made my unboxing video. I tried it out beforehand when I did the orange look, and I like them. They're super soft. They pick up a lot of powder, but they don't waste the powder, if that makes sense. Gives it a nice little blend. I'm not going to do setting powder just because, like I said earlier, it is nighttime. Get the forehead a little more. Alright, I'm going to go find a blush and a highlight. For blush, I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Blushing in Bali palette. And I'm just going to use the light shade Lychee. I know this is a powder blush brush. Ooh. Yeah, I know it's for powder, but we'll give it a try. That blended it out really nice. And for highlight, I'm going to use the shade underneath it, which is Glisten. Grab our highlight brush. I keep wanting to say blush, but drag that up a little bit. And for how cheap these palettes were, they do a really good job. Boom. Blind them. To the nose. Cupid's bow. And I'm going to grab my fluffy brush. Give that a quick blend. Well, I shouldn't say blend, but soften it up a little bit. Let's go find a lip and then I'll be back. Because my eyes are a little dark and dramatic, I'm going to go in with this Milani gloss. It is a Keep It Full and it is in the shade Champagne. a nice little natural pink. And that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. I do think that my skills are starting to increase the more that I look at my videos, the more that I see what I could do different. Again, it's late, so I'm not going to spray any setting spray, but I hope you guys like this, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks.